Welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to source for practical health and wellness advice. We're all about empowering you with knowledge to help you live your healthiest life. Today, we're turning our attention to the brain, specifically for those over the age of 50. We're going to share 5 fantastic drinks that are not just delicious but also packed with brain-boosting benefits. So if you're interested in nurturing your noggin, you're in the right place. Starting off our list, we have green tea, a classic brain booster. This invigorating elixir has been consumed for centuries, thanks to its numerous health benefits. Green tea is particularly renowned for its high antioxidant content, making it an excellent choice for those over 50 seeking to maintain and enhance their brain health. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can lead to cognitive decline. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea is also rich in compounds like catechins and threonine that have been shown to stimulate brain function. These impressive components work together to improve brain health, boost memory, and enhance focus. Moreover, green tea is a drink that can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a refreshing and beneficial addition to your daily routine. So whether you're starting your day or seeking an afternoon pick-me-up, remember this wonderful brew. Enjoy a warm cup of green tea for a dose of brain health benefits. Next up, let's blend up some goodness with a blueberry smoothie. Now, blueberries aren't just a delicious addition to your diet. They're also packed with a host of benefits for your brain. These little berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, known to protect the brain from oxidative stress and may even delay brain aging. In addition to that, studies suggest that the flavonoids in blueberries can improve memory, making them a fantastic brain food. So how do we turn these brain-boosting berries into a smoothie? It's simple. All you need is a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, a banana for natural sweetness, a spoonful of Greek yogurt for a protein punch, and a splash of almond milk blended all together until smooth. And your blueberry smoothie is ready. Incorporate this drink into your routine, and you're not just satisfying your taste buds but also giving your brain a healthful boost. A blueberry smoothie is not just tasty but also a fantastic brain booster. Moving on, we have the golden drink turmeric milk. This warm, comforting beverage is a powerhouse of benefits for your brain. You see, the main ingredient turmeric is rich in curcumin, a compound that possesses strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties are incredibly beneficial for our brains, especially as we age. Inflammation and oxidative stress are 2 major factors that can lead to cognitive decline. The curcumin in turmeric helps to combat these issues, potentially slowing down the aging process of our brains and improving memory and concentration. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric also enhances mood and promotes better sleep, crucial for maintaining overall brain health. And the best part? Making turmeric milk at home is a breeze. All you need is a teaspoon of turmeric, a glass of milk, a pinch of black pepper, and a sweetener of your choice. Heat, stir, and enjoy. So don't forget to include this golden beverage in your diet for its brain-boosting properties. Next in line, we have the vibrant beet juice. This ruby-hued elixir is not just a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can give your brain a substantial boost. Beets are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This miracle molecule helps widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow to all parts of your body, including your brain. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients for your brain cells, enhancing cognitive function and potentially delaying the onset of brain aging. Now let's get into a simple recipe for making beet juice at home. All you need are a couple of raw beets, a splash of water, and a blender. Blend until smooth, strain, and voila, you have your homemade beet juice for an added kick. You could also toss in some ginger or lemon. Remember, a glass of beet juice a day can keep brain aging at bay. We've reached the end of our list of brain-boosting drinks. We've explored the invigorating properties of green tea, the antioxidant-rich blueberry smoothie, the anti-inflammatory turmeric milk, and the nitrate-packed beet juice. Each of these beverages possesses unique attributes that can enhance your brain health and overall well-being, especially as you journey past the age of 50. So why not infuse your diet with these vibrant elixirs? Thank you for tuning into the Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy.